All right, he's scratching it right now, cutting the record back and forth against the needle, back and forth, making it scratch. But let me tell you something, don't try it at home with your dad's stereo, only under hip-hop supervision, all right?
Oh, hello there. My name is Itchy, and I'm here to tell you about Scratch. Scratch is a fantastic program that allows you to create and share interactive stories, animations, games, and music, and art. Scratch was developed by some great brains at MIT, which makes programming and coding simple and fun. First thing you need to do is download Scratch to computer. You can do this for free at scratch.mit.edu. I'm going to download it right now. So should you.
A mix master! A cut faster!
That's pretty simple. And once you get to the home page of Scratch, you're just going to scroll down to the bottom. You can see that you can view other people in the community's projects. Maybe one day your project will be up there. And you're just going to go to download right here in the lower corner and click on that. Now of course Scratch is going to ask you for some information. If you're under the age of 13, you can skip giving them information like your email address. But you can type in your school or your role of a student educator, and then you're going to just continue to download Scratch. And then you can even pick out if you're going for a Mac or if you're going for Windows. And after your downloads, which is perfectly free, you're ready to start your own programming. Are you ready? Let's begin. After you have downloaded Scratch and opened it, you'll get something that looks like this page. And now you're ready to start scripting your own programs. Now Scratch can do some amazing things. Today I'll only show you a few of the basics. If you want to learn more, I suggest you download and start coding yourself. Also, you can go to the Scratch homepage and explore tutorials there, and even download people's Scratch scripts and remix them. Oh yeah. Now the basic things in Scratch that we're going to talk about today are building a script by using the sprite and changing the background and snapping all the stacks together. That's how you build it. You snap them. And I'll also show you how to record my lovely voice. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our sprite. The Scratch cat is what always is the default. What you want to do is change yours, and you can either use downloaded ones or draw your own. Being an amateur artist, I'm going to draw my own. I'm going to click on my sprite, go to costumes, and I'm going to go to edit. And I'm just going to clear it and start with my own. Now I'm going to do something very, very simple. I'm going to just make a circle, make a big old circle, some smaller circles, add a line with the paintbrush, just like any kind of drawing program. And now I've got my sprite. Okay, okay. And there he is. Alright, now the next thing I need to do is set my stage. You click on the stage right down here, and again you're going to go to edit. You could import one from photos that you've taken yourself from the Scratch library, or make your very own. I'm just going to make my very own simple stage. There we go. Now it's time to make my sprite do something exciting. So that's the time that we write our scripts. Our script is just what we want our sprite to do. Over on the side you have a selection of different motions or actions you can make your script do, or your sprite do. We have motion, we have look, we have sound, we have pen, which will even make it right, control, sensing, operates, and variables. We're just going to stick with the very, very basic ones, but you need to start with the control. And I'm going to select the flag, when clicked. That will make my sprite go into motion when you click them. Then I'm going to take my motion, and let's have... And I'm going to have my sprite glide around. I'm going to start him right here on the corner. And he is going to glide. And I want him to glide to, and then I can look over here. There's X's and Y's axis. That's just where the point that you want him to go to, and I'm going to have him go to all the way across. 216, 48. I'll type those numbers right in here. And then what I'm going to have him do is when he gets there, he's going to turn (180 degrees) and then glide back. And what I'm going to want and I'll have them turn again. And now what I want my sprite to do is keep on repeating this. So I'm going to go to controls again, and I can pick repeat. And what this does is it's just going to go right over all my blocks and just repeat whatever's in here for how many times. And I picked 10. And now let's see what my sprite does. He goes over the side, bounces back, comes back over, bounces around. Alright, he's having a good time right there. Now the last thing I want to show you how to do, there's all different motions that you can make them do and different options. Today we're just doing the basics. We got a sprite moving across a background right there. I just want to add a little sound. So what I'm going to do is stop my motion, go to sounds, and I'm going to record my own sound. So I'm going to go, you could even import right from your files. And let's record now. Don't worry. Alright. And then I'm going to insert that recording right into my script. Under sounds. And let's give it a test.
Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy now.
Put it right on my desktop. Give it a title. And then you're all set. You can save it just to your computer, or you can even upload it to Scratch, play it for your friends, let people look at it, remix it. The options are endless. Simply amazing. Wow, simply amazing. I'm sure all of you can do it just by yourself. The only way to figure things out is to get out there and try them. So go out, download Scratch, remember it's free, enjoy, program, share with your friends, remix. It's all there. It's such a great way to start your own programming career. So